Hi, so in this session I want to discuss two more cleanup actions in case of exception handling. Those are else and finally. So these are very important keywords in case of try and except. So these may or may not be used. It is not necessary to use them, but if you use them they have their own functionality. So what is the functionality behind them is, so there is a concept of else. After try and except you can have a word else. So what does this else do is, if you don't get any exception, then the code inside else will be executed. You should not get any exception in case of else, then the code will be executed. Okay, so if no exception has been raised in this try block, no exception has come, then it will go to else. Okay, so if I try to do this, so I think in else exception can come in, exception can come in this, exception can come in this, exception can come by dividing this, but exception will not come in printing all this value and break. Okay, so I want, if no exception has come in this code, I will just print the value and break the loop. Okay, so I think it makes sense, this break or print value, if no exception has come. Okay, so I think it makes sense to move this code in else rather than in try. If any exception comes, then I will raise some exception and then only this code, then this code will not be executed. If no exception has come, then this code will be executed. So let's try to run this. If I now try to 5 and 2, I got 2.5. I got 2.5 and I had break the loop. Now if I now try to run this 5 and 0, then the else code was not executed, 0 denominator is raised. So I will raise this, this code was not executed, that means I have not printed the value, I have not broken the loop. Okay, so the code executes again and again, I have just printing again and again. I am just taking the numerator and denominator again if any error has been raised. So else executed, else code will be executed when no exception will be raised. Okay, now the important, another point important is, you have a keyword called finally. So finally will come after all of this. If you have only try, you can have like try, except and finally. It doesn't necessary to have else. You can have try, except, else and finally. This is the order you need to maintain. Finally should come at last. Finally should come at last. Else will come after except, and finally should come at last only. If you can follow this order or this order. Okay. Now if you follow this order, let's say this finally, so it will execute the code whether exception is raised or not. It will definitely be executed whether you can have an exception or you can have don't have any exception. So this, if this try block is executed well, no exception will be raised. Else code will be executed if no exception has been raised. After that finally code will be executed. So finally code will be executed whether exception is raised or not. So if I print like exception may or may not be raised, something like this I have done. Okay, now I am going to this, enter the numerator, I have written 5. If I raise any exception, then the else code was not executed. I have raised the exception, so this was coming due to the message of this exception, and exception or may not be raised is because finally was doing that. Okay, so if exception comes, finally code will definitely be executed, but else code will not be executed. Now let's say we have another input 5 and 2. So now here 5 and 2 you have printed the value using the else code, because if no exception has come then the else code was executed, so you had printed the value. Now you got exception may or may not be used, because finally code will definitely be executed whether exception was there or not. Okay, so this is how else and finally will work. Else will execute when no exception will be there, and finally will be executed whether exception or no exception will be there. Okay, so finally will be executed every time, but else will be executed only when exception is not there. Okay, so these are the cleanup actions which we have explored so far, and this is all about exception handling. If you know all about this, you can handle any kind of exception. Okay, great, thank you.